Learning English is like beginning a beautiful journey. It opens doors to education, success, and confidence. Many girls dream of speaking English fluently, to study abroad, get better jobs, or talk confidently with others. The good news is that every girl can learn English quickly with the right attitude and daily practice. 1. Believe in yourself. The first step is belief. You must tell yourself, I can do it. Many girls feel shy or afraid of making mistakes, but mistakes are part of learning. Even native speakers make them. Confidence is your strongest tool. When you believe in yourself, your learning becomes faster and more enjoyable. 2. Make English your friend. Don't treat English like a school subject. Treat it like a friend. Talk to it, listen to it, and have fun with it. Watch movies, listen to songs, or read short stories in English. You don't need to understand every word. Just enjoy it. The more you listen and see English, the more natural it feels. 3. Practice a little every day. You don't have to study for hours. Just 15 to 20 minutes daily is enough if you stay consistent. Read a short story, learn 5 new words, or write a few sentences about your day. Regular practice builds a habit, and habits create progress. Remember, small daily efforts are stronger than one big effort once a week. 4. Speak without fear. Many girls understand English but hesitate to speak. They worry about being laughed at. But remember, no one becomes fluent without trying. Speak English with your friends, classmates, or even in front of a mirror. Start with simple sentences like, I am feeling happy today. The more you speak, the more confident you become. 5. Surround yourself with English. To learn fast, make English part of your world. Change your phone language, label things around your house, and follow English pages on social media. Think in English, for example, instead of mui pani chahi, say I need water. When English surrounds you, your brain learns naturally. 6. Learn through reading and listening. Reading and listening are powerful ways to improve. Read short stories, articles, or magazines in English. Listen to podcasts, audiobooks, or YouTube lessons. Don't focus too much on grammar. Focus on understanding meaning. The more you listen and read, the faster you learn grammar, vocabulary, and sentence flow. 7. Use technology wisely. The internet is full of tools for learning. Use apps like Duolingo, BBC Learning English, or LingQ. Watch educational videos and practice pronunciation. Your phone can be your best teacher if you use it wisely. Avoid wasting time scrolling aimlessly, and use that time to learn something new every day. 8. Keep an English diary. Writing helps you think in English. Keep a small notebook and write a few lines daily. For example, today I watched an English movie. I learned new words like adventure and dream. This simple habit improves memory, spelling, and grammar naturally. You'll also see how much you improve over time. 9. Celebrate small successes. Learning English is a journey, not a race. Celebrate small wins. Understanding a song, reading a paragraph, or finishing a short story. Every small success gives you energy to move forward. Be proud of your effort. Don't compare yourself with others. Your journey is unique. 10. Stay positive and keep going. Some days you may feel slow or tired. That's normal. The key is not to give up. Even learning one new word a day is progress. Stay patient and remember that every minute spent learning is a step toward your dream. English will reward you if you stay consistent. 11. Dream big. When a girl learns English, she doesn't just learn a language. She learns confidence. English helps you share your ideas, chase opportunities, and connect with people around the world. It gives you a voice and makes you shine brighter. So dream big and take that first step today. Final words. Learning English is not about perfection. It's about progress. Believe in yourself, practice daily, and never be afraid to make mistakes. Enjoy the process and let English become your friend. One day you'll speak fluently and proudly say, "Yes, I can speak English, and I learned it with confidence."